of members in a class? Private. Private, not global. We don't have anything called global. Private. Okay? Listen. The default scope for the members of an interface is public, whereas it is private in case of a class. Guys, go through the second point. You define a class. In the class, you declare a field index. You declare a field index that is going to be private in a class. Yes, Kali. In a class, the default scope for the members is private, but in an interface, it is public. Understood, all of you? By default, every member of an interface, is public. Sorry, is abstract. So we don't require to use abstract modifier on the interface members again. Read the third point, all of you. Understood? Huh? Serious here. It's an abstract class. Okay, it's an abstract class. And this is an interface. If you want to declare an abstract method here, how do you declare? Public, abstract, void, add, int x comma int y. This is how we declared now. Guys, this is how we declared. But if you want to declare the same thing in an interface, how do you declare, Very simple. Void add, int x comma int y. That's all. That's it. Yes. Why? Default is public, default is abstract. Got it, huh? Default is public, default is abstract. So no need, simply you write like this, enough. Fourth point. Just like a class can inherit from another class, an interface can inherit from another interface, but not from a class. Guys, read the fourth point. Did you understand? Interface will not have any constructor. Yaar. Why interface will have a constructor? Interface will not have any constructor. Okay, so did you get my point? So a class can inherit from a class or an interface. Guys, listen. A class can inherit from another class or an interface, but interface can inherit from interface only. See guys, if this is a class, this can inherit from class, this can inherit from interface also. But if at all you take a interface can inherit from interface only. Understood? These are the 4 important rules you require to remember when you're defining an interface. These are the 4 important rules you require to remember when you're defining an interface. Okay, guys? All of you, watch the 20 minutes video. Watch that 20 minutes video of implementing the abstract classes in your code. By next class, you need to complete that, okay? Can abstract can be inherit? No, cannot. No, you cannot inherit. Class only na, abstract is also class only na. You cannot have class as a parent, I'm telling already. Okay, so complete watching that videos, guys, all of you. So, fine, we'll meet on Monday. Bye, guys. Have a nice weekend. We'll meet on Monday. But don't forget, complete that. I did not speak with the management here. Mostly we are planning next week. Mostly next week or next Monday we'll plan. Not coming Monday, not this Monday.